Welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand how to export and import test cases. You can export the test cases by clicking on Export Test Cases. You can export Excel all fields. You can export Excel only the current fields. I'm exporting the test cases. Yes, it is done. You can just go see the test cases which I have written have been exported to Excel sheet. There's one more option which is import test. You can import the text already written in your Excel sheet. So click on import test. Choose a file from which you have to import the test cases. Open that. Attach that file. Click on next. You can look at test cases which I have in my file. So in sheet 1, I have test case name, test scenario ID, test scenario description, test case ID, test case description, test steps, actual result, executed, etc. So here, since the first row I have given the name of the columns, I'll just skip the first row to import. So I'll give second row. You can select a discriminator. You can import all sheets or you can import selected sheet. I'll give just import sheet 1, sheet 2. Click on next. So it will ask you to map the fields from your Excel file to this import test. These are the fields in my Excel sheet and these are the fields in this Z²Import test. So I'll select description. I'll give test case description, external ID. So I'll match my test case ID with the external ID, name. I'll give test case name, result. I'll give actual result, steps. I'll give test steps, test data. I'll select test data of my Excel sheet and click on next. You can validate all this mapping done from my Excel sheet to this Z²Import sheets. So 2 issues will be created correctly. You can save the configuration file for future use and save the configuration file. Then you can click on begin import. Yes, 2 issues have been imported successfully. To view these test cases, just click on the test cases and see whether all the test cases have been imported. Yes, all the test cases with the test step, test data, test results have been imported successfully. Yes, wonderful. All my test cases have been imported successfully to the Jira tool. You can click on this at any point of time and edit if you want. Awesome. As a part of this video, we understood how to import test cases and also export test cases. Thank you.